For some, fall brings the excitement of having your favorite seasonal beverage, but those treats can actually be chock full of sugar.
That's right. Mandy Gaither explains how you can enjoy those treats while watching your waistline. That's in today's Health Minute.
You can still get your fall favorite fix without all the sweeteners and calories by simply switching it up. First up, the pumpkin spice latte.
You can replace this by making your own pumpkin spice smoothie by using a little bit of pumpkin puree and pumpkin spice. Add that with your protein powder and some almond milk and you've got a delicious replacement.
Next up, the chai tea latte.
Instead of having that, which can run you almost 300 calories, you can do this for under 30 calories by simply adding a dash of cinnamon with hot water, a black tea bag, and some almond milk.
And you can't have fall without apple cider, but it can be loaded with sugar.
Instead, do half apple cider and half water, or make your own apple cider tea with a simple apple cider tea bag, and then slice your own apple slices, put it in, and steep.
Finally, you can still have hot chocolate on those cool nights.
Get this replacement for only 50 calories. You can use some cocoa powder, which is unsweetened chocolate, dump that into a little cup, and then add in a little bit of almond milk, skim milk, or even just water.
Cutting down on sugar and calories without cutting out your favorites. For Health Minute, I'm Mandy Gaither.
There you go.
Yeah.
I can't do, I don't like sugar. I'm like a cheesy carb person.
Yeah.
But I can't do genuinely those sugary drinks. I can have like 2 sips and I'm like, ugh.
I prefer gin.
That'll cut the calories for you.
I'm just kidding. I'm just joking.
Just joking.
Gotta watch the waistline, that's for sure.